Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is a wiring and usage tutorial for the Skydroid G12 and VK V12 flight controller. The VK V12 features a compact design, making it small and easy to install, perfect for various drone platforms. As a high-performance flight controller, it offers a wide range of peripheral interfaces and supports dual-CAN buses, offering excellent expandability. It automatically adapts to mainstream transmitters, supports video stream display, and fully supports FPV flying. With powerful target pointing capabilities, you can easily control both target locking and flight trajectory with precision. The video is divided into three main sections. What products are used in this test? How to wire them? How to present the setup? What products are used in this test? The products used in this test are VK V12 kit, 25.2V battery Skydroid G12. The cables used are G12S.bus plus Telem cable, VK V12 power cable, G12 receiver power cable. How to wire them? The G12 connector is GH 1.255 pin, and both V12 connectors are DuPont 2.54mm 4 pin. This cable is custom-made according to the wiring sequence. Connect the G12S.bus plus Telem interface to the corresponding S.bus and Telem ports on the V12 module. Connect the LED module to the LED interface on the V12. Connect the GNSS module to the GNSS 1 interface on the V12. Then supply power to the V12. Finally, power the Skydroid G12 receiver. How to present the setup. On the G12 remote controller, open the device tools. Go to Advanced Options, enter the password 999 and set the baud rate to 115,200. After setting the baud rate, open the VK Flight Controller's ground station. The ground station will automatically detect and connect to the controller. In the ground station's device page, you can manually input the battery voltage for a more accurate reading. Below that you can select the RTSP address of the gimbal. If your gimbal brand isn't listed, you can manually enter the RTSP address. In the remote controller interface, you can check whether the flight controller is connected to the SBUS receiver and calibrate the transmitter signal. In the FC page, you can update the flight controller's firmware. On this page, you can also map and configure payload devices such as drop servos and lights using PWM signals. You can also view radar data here. The flight controller connects to the radar through the CAN hub interface. Click factory mode and enter the password 88888. In the model page, you can select the type of drone frame. The page also shows the motor directions and wiring order. Be sure to connect everything exactly as shown in the diagram, otherwise the drone could crash. In the install page, you configure the flight controller module, antennas, remote controller, ESCs, etc., based on their actual installation positions. The GNSS module should be installed in an open area with no obstructions, away from motors, high current wires, or steel components, to ensure good satellite lock and magnetic heading accuracy. The V12 flight controller comes with dual antennas and typically does not require magnetic calibration. In the parameters page, the default sensitivity parameters are generally suitable for most aircraft. For common propulsion systems, we provide the following tuning recommendations. Some tuning tips. Other than the sensitivity settings, which need to be adjusted for different propulsion and airframe setups, most other parameters do not need to be changed. If the aircraft has low-frequency wobbling, try increasing roll attitude stability and pitch attitude stability by 10-20 units. You may also increase roll damping and pitch damping by 1-2 units each time. If the aircraft experiences high-frequency vibrations, try decreasing roll attitude stability and pitch attitude stability by 10-20 units. You may also decrease roll damping and pitch damping by 1-2 units each time. If the drone shakes once or twice when the control stick returns to center and then stabilizes, try increasing roll damping and pitch damping by 1-2 units. If you have specific needs, feel free to contact our technical support team and provide the ESC model, wheelbase, takeoff weight, and propeller size of your platform. We'll offer tailored parameter recommendations. In the maneuver page, you can set the aircraft's flight speed, automatic climb descent speed, return to home speed, and manual flight speed. This page also allows you to check throttle signals sent to each ESC. If CAN ESCs are used, you can configure their ID numbers here and check more detailed CAN ESC data such as voltage, current, and RPM. In the remote controller interface, you can check whether the flight controller is connected to the SBUS receiver and perform signal calibration. The mode selection between Mode 1 and Mode 2 only changes the visual layout of throttle and yaw channels in the diagram. To actually change the control mode, you must do so in the settings or app of the transmitter itself. This concludes the Skydroid G12 and VK V12 flight controller wiring and usage tutorial. Thank you for watching. To learn more, please subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.